Hello everyone. Today I witnessed something which I think that is not good, not a professional behavior, and even that had been criticized by the judge also in the courtroom. And it is not only the first time I have seen this or I have witnessed this. On several occasions I have observed these things. This is related to the interns, the law interns who appears before the court, makes submissions without knowing the consequences of the same. So I thought of sharing few tips or few things with you so that you do not commit the same mistake which usually the interns commit. Always remember that whenever you are appearing before the court during the time of internship, do not just make submissions. You are not authorized to make submissions, to file applications, to sign the documents and then submit it before the court. You are not authorized to do so. And if you are still doing it, there are chances that the court may complain about the conduct of yours in your college, in Bar Council of Delhi, so that your enrollment for the future perspective may be stopped. And it can be done by the judge. That I'm telling you what happened 2 days ago. An intern appeared before the court and she started making submissions that accused is not able to present in the court, and we are filing an application for the exemption of personal appearance on behalf of the accused person. Please take my submission on record, your lordship. And the judge asked the intern that, are you a lawyer or you are an intern? What's your name? She did not confess that she was an intern on the very first instance. Instead, she said that, sir, I am working with so and so, the association. Judge again asked her, are you intern or a lawyer? She said, sir, I am an intern. And then judge started scolding her that how can you represent the client in the court? You are not authorized to do so. Do you know I can complain against you in your college and you will be restrained from getting the degree? I can complain about you in the Bar Council as well. Even if your senior is telling you to appear before the court, you should not appear. This is something very unethical, very unprofessional, and also against the Advocates Act. So I am telling you, I am giving you a kind of, you can say, advice not to appear before the court. You are just authorized to observe the court proceeding. You are interning under someone to learn, not to make submissions, not to file documents, not to argue in the courts. And if you try to conceal this thing as well, then you are doing something very illegal. This is not legal thing. So do not just go away in the court after listening to your senior counsel, or if anyone tells you. And if no one tells you and you just appear before the court on your own, thinking you are too smart, you will have to face the consequences.